Y'all, I'm starting the process of the next protector style for February and March. Okay, I'm so late in doing this video because I've been procrastinating, detangling my hair and stuff, and yeah, so I'm late. Okay, but I am doing my hair now. Is after it. What is today? February what? 16, 17? Saturday. It's Monday because it's after 12. So yeah, I'm starting now. You gonna say hi? Hi. Okay. And so, look at my hair. She's so silly. Of course, I'm gonna put a video on. I probably be done already. Put a video of Emma hair on YouTube. I put it on there. Normally, I just put it on my social media, but I probably put it on YouTube. But yeah, I'm starting. Y'all, oh my god, y'all just don't understand how tangled my hair is. Super, super tangled. So what I'm using is a little bit of water and a little bit of EVO in here and conditioner. Okay, this is the shea butter. The what is that? I don't even know how you pronounce this thing, but it's this one. Shit, I ain't got time for that. It's this one. I mentioned this. I thought I mentioned this. I probably did on my social media, but I used the whole line before. And so I love this stuff. Like I love this one as well, which is why it's more gone than this one. But this one is thicker than this one. So like right now, I just need stuff to kind of like thin my hair out, not thicken it. So I'm using this one instead. And I'm using, like, I'm finger detangling my hair, but I'm also using this little small thing to detangle my hair I got from Sally's. So yeah, it looks like this. Got a little thing, and then this piece. I don't know how you're supposed to hold it, but I just assume you do this. So that's how I'm detangling my hair. It's kind of weird, but this is the only thing that would work for me. For me to get this much line, I got pretty much a lot done. Okay, because I attempted to do this the other day. And when I say I only had got like a little bit over here done and I quit, it was that serious. So that finger detangling was going to take too long for my whole head. Okay, so I couldn't do it. So I'm going to turn y'all around and then show y'all the process of me detangling at least this part, okay? All right. So all I'm doing is wetting my hair. I have the water and the EVO, which means extra virgin olive oil in this bottle. I'm wetting it to soften my hair because my hair loves water. And then I'm also using that to hydrate my hair, which also is, when your hair is wet, it seems more thinner. And then I'm going to put in some of this conditioner. The amount just depends on the section of hair, how much hair I have in that section. Run that through. I kind of like rake it through, split my hair up a little bit and make sure it is all over the hair strands. Focus it on my ends as well and stuff like that. Okay, and sorry if I sound tired. I'm laying down trying to do this voiceover. So yeah, I'm in the bed. Anywho, um, now it's time to finger detangle my hair, break it apart. Basically, you feel for the knots, the areas that's giving you problems where your hands can't go through it as easy. Is basically what I'm doing. Just like gently pull your hair apart and try to find the source of the knot is the main thing I'm doing as I rake the product through my hair as well. I try to do this before I use any tool, which will minimize the amount of hair that you lose. You always gonna have that sheds every day. You know what I'm saying? But if you use tools all the time, you can break your hair off. You know what I'm saying? On top of the hair that sheds. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, just gently use the tool. Start from the ends. Always start from the end. Work your way up until it become easy. Okay? With this little tool thing I got in my hand, which ended up breaking, the little, handle piece broke. Girl, I don't know what happened with that, but my hair was too thick for that. It's easier to put my hair up against my hand to use this tool to easily detangle. The camera just straight up cut off. I don't even know. It ain't full because I wouldn't be recording now, but it just cut off. So when I'm done, I just twist it. That's it, okay? Once I got it all.
Hi guys, it's me, Emma.
Straight. Just to keep it, separated and tangle free. I do that.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
You always gotta make sure your ends.
Since I'm doing her video, I'm doing my video. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. But I felt
That's
sick.
it. All I'm doing, I'm gonna do the rest, this little bit up here, and then I'll be back. Sorry, Emma, it's loud. Okay. We're gonna go into cleaning my hair, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be using in the next clip.
And I'm just mom because
She's just talking to herself in my computer.
Because this is my spot. You have your own spot. I'm doing my cord.
So you recording? You doing your video?
Bye.
You doing your video?
Yeah, bye.
Okay, she recording for her channel, y'all. She ain't got a channel yet, but she recording.
Bye. Turn this chair.
Ugh.